Hello everyone, this is me, the Harlingen railfanner, 83 here, and today, Roly, I'm going to also show you the, abandoned crossing. I'm going to show you the railroad crossings of Atlanta, Georgia. Sorry about that loading map thing, it always does that. And, okay, this is Atlanta, right here. But first, I'm going to start off with the abandoned crossings because I don't want to... Well, the abandoned crossings were... Okay, so I'm going to start at Sylvan Road, Southwest Sylvan Road. Okay. Oh, wrong one. There we go. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, I think I got it now. No. Hold on, let me just get in deeper here. Oh, here we go. Now I have it. As you can see, that is the first crossing on Sylvan Road that's owned by Norfolk Southern. But then we're coming towards the oldest one on the line itself. This used to be owned by CSX at first. Then I believe it went on to another railroad, which I did forget the name. As you can see, this is Sylvan Road. Okay, the crosswalk has been removed. That's the only part that's here. The gate mechanisms right here. These are older SafeTran 12 by 20 inch lights. They're incandescent also. The cantilevers are SafeTran cantilevers. And there's only one bell, which is a SafeTran mechanical bell on here. And then more older SafeTran 12 by 20 inch lights. And on here, the crosswalk and the mast lights have been removed from here. There's track view facing east towards Allen Avenue, which is, and then track view facing west towards the beginning of the line. So yeah, this is the Sylvan Road railroad crossing. As you can see, the grade has been paved over, but slightly. There's only that piece showing out right there. And yes, the grade was wooden. It's been paved over. You could see a little bit of it in the dirt. It's wooden also, so yeah. On to the next crossing. Okay, we're gonna come up on Avon Avenue right here. Alright, this crossing was it was an ancient crossing back then. Okay, as you can see, this is what the crossing looks like now. It's because everything on the thing has been stolen except for the bell and the emergency information. As you can see, it's still there, CSX. The bell is a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. That's where the crosswalk used to be. There used to be one pair right there, one pair of mast lights there. Another, and no, these were side lights. These were side lights. Those were the mast lights right there. Okay, these were a mix of WRS and SafeTran 8-inch lights. Oh no, wait. SafeTran 12 by 24-inch lights on the westbound signal. And okay, it was a mixture of cast iron WRS 8-inch lights on this one, if I remember. Yes. And SafeTran 8-inch lights. So cast iron WRS 8-inch lights are super rare. They are super rare. What's in here? Oh, okay. I gotta tell you, Roly, this was a rare crossing on here. As you can see, there's the relay case. And plus, there's an abandoned spur right here that came off from here. Track view facing west. No, wait. Yes, west towards Sylvan Road. and track view facing east towards Milton Avenue. So yeah, this was one of the rare crossings here. Alright, next crossing. That's an overpass. It's also an overpass. It used to head off onto here. It used to have a diamond right here. And it used to cross McDonough Boulevard. Now here is Milton Avenue itself. Okay, so this crossing had a very interesting backstory to it. It was a really rare backstory. Okay, so the crossing is this way. Alright, found it. This is what it looks like now. This is what it looks like now. Roly, you're not gonna believe this. Wait. How are the signals wait. Are they malfunctioning or is it just the lenses? As you can see, it looks like that the signals are malfunctioning, but they're actually not. Anyways, these are, there is Western Colin Hayes mechanical bell on this signal. They're a mixture of Western Colin Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights. Well, one pair of Western Colin Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights and one pair of, or let me see. And then one pair of Safe Trend 12 by 20 inch lights. And one of the visors have came off, and that one has been twisted to the left. And plus, you'll not believe this, really. You think that there's one ancient relay case, but nope. There's two. There's two right here. As you can see, one of them's disconnected from power, which I don't know why would they do that, and why would they put two relay cases here. But there's one still in power, so if a train actually tries to come through here, it will have a hard time getting through here. And the other signal is just Safe Trend 12 by 20 inch lights, and one of them is missing a visor as well. Track view facing east towards, west towards McDonough Avenue, McDonough Avenue, which is one of the abandoned crossings, but the one is disconnected. And track view facing west towards the Broadway Avenue. And what's interesting about this crossing, this signal right here, it used to be WRS mass signal, but it was leaning somewhat backwards, and plus there were just overhead lights. It's somewhat of a cantilever / mass signal, so they're both merged in together. And then it just had overhead lights. There were Safe Trend 8 inch lights, and it was leaning badly to. It was facing this way. No, it was facing this way. It was leaning badly backwards. And due to the fact that they had to replace it, though, even though this line is abandoned already, it got abandoned somewhat in 1985. Which I did forget to say. And then it curves right here. It curves right here onto Hill Street. Wait, Hill Street's an overpass. Curves this way now. And it just says Boulevard, but it's actually Broadway Boulevard. This crossing is one of the ancient out of all of the crossings that are on here. Because it's one of those signals that I mentioned at Milton Avenue. No, I just gotta get off of here. Alright. Hamilton. Alright, where's the actual boulevard? Found it. Look at this. Look at this railroad. Look at this roly. This is pure treasure out of Atlanta. The crossbuck is damaged. There is a pair of cast iron WRS 8-inch lights, a Rayco 8-inch light, and a Safe Trend 8-inch light on this signal. The other signal was unfortunately knocked down. But I'll tell you the equipment. It was a mass signal. Not like this one. It wasn't like this one. It was an original mass signal with Safe Trend 12x20 inch lights. And plus there's no bell on this crossing. There's the relay case right there. Drive you facing west toward back towards Milton Avenue. Drive you facing east towards the end of the line. I believe so. But I did forget where the end of the line was. Okay, so it curves this way. And then it ends right here. It ends right here. But it used to go all the way down here. It used to go all the way down there. And then this is the actual spur right here. It used to curve off, head down, and then curve just a little onto Glenwood Avenue, and then meet up. So yeah, this was one of the biggest pieces of history right here. Now I'm going to check up McDonough Avenue, which I don't know where, wait, did I just pass it? Yeah, I passed it, okay. I found McDonough Avenue. I mean Boulevard, McDonough Boulevard. Okay, I guess I can go for here. Maybe the signals are still there. Or just maybe. Alright, these are the signals for... Well, these are the signals for, Hank something Boulevard. I forgot the name. Then if I come right here... Looks like the signals are gone now. Okay, let me try to find the diamond. I'm gonna try to find it. Okay, it would have came off, went in through there. So yeah, everything's gone from here. But it's gonna still probably pop up somewhere. It's probably hidden in there or somewhere else. Let me go further down. It might have been somewhere over here. If I can't find it, then I'm gonna have to look on somewhere else. Can't find it. Nope, doesn't show on here. Anyways, since I'm already done with the abandoned railroad crossings, I could just get onto this one. As you can see, this is a 1980 setup right here. This is Hank Aaron Drive. All the bells are Safe Trend Type 3 electronic bells. The relay case is right there. There's a total of 3 tracks, which I believe... Wait, or is there 3 tracks? Oh no, there's 4 tracks. There's 4 tracks. 4 tracks. But anyways, they all curve that way. And as you can see, there is a train right there. And there's a 5th track that comes off a spur right there. There's a junction right here. There's a power box over there, which I believe that was the relay case for McDonough Avenue. Maybe. Could have been. Or wait, what is that? What is that? I think I saw something over there. I don't know if I did or not. What is that? What is that? I see it. I see it right there. Well, never mind. I guess it's gone now. Nah, I'll get to the what was I? The active crossings in another video. I'm just gonna go back to my hometown. Now I'm gonna show you in no, not Tennessee. Let me see. Where should I go? Yes, Wisconsin. Mayville, Wisconsin. Mayville. I just gotta find it, though. If I find Fond du Lac, then it's near. Okay, so... Claire. No, that's... Okay, let me try to find Fond du Lac. I know it's somewhere over here. It's somewhere over here. That doesn't mean I can find it right away. Baldwin. Just ended up in Minnesota again. If I go to wait, where was Madison again? I think it was somewhere over here. Okay, it's right here somewhere. Alright, I found Madison. Okay, it might be right here. It might be right here. Wait, what was that? I think I found Yep, here's Fond du Lac. Fond du Lac's right here. And Mayville, Wisconsin. Found it. No. Nothing. Is it all yours? Yes, leave me alone for a sec.
Excuse you? Oh, yeah. What do you want? Credit card?
Yes. Sorry, Roly, that was my mom. She always has to come into my room at random times. Anyways, I'm in Mayville, Wisconsin. This is one of the saddest sights that you'll ever see. Alright. Okay, so this is this is Hurricane Street. Okay, Hurricane Street. The tracks have been cut off here. Yes, they have been cut off. So this is the Hurricane Street. As you can see, the grade has been paved over. The cantilevers have been removed. As you can see, there's one of the foundations right there. Right there, that's one of the cantilevers where one of them stood. Track view facing, that's the active part of the line. They just store cars there, and this was the original line back then. There were 2 WRS cantilevers with WRS 8-inch lights and a WRS mini bell, which are rare to find. And there is the second foundation. As you can see, it's been cut off. And there's a piece of rail right there, which I don't know where that came from. And there's the relay case.
You want what to drink?
Root beer.
What?
I said root beer.
Root beer?
Yes.
Why are you whispering?
My mom just came in my room again, which I don't really like anymore. Anyways, back to the video. As you said, gone, but not forgotten. I'll always remember that quote. It's in my head already. Traffic facing, wait, okay, that's east. That's east towards, I forgot the name of the street because I don't remember this town anymore. That's facing towards 4th Street, which is the second active crossing. Well, yeah. Bridge Street, yes. Bridge Street. Oh, God. Oh, crap. Alright, I'll just skip Bridge Street for now. But now I'm going to go on the only 4-way intersection crossing. Crap. It always does that. Anyways, I'll just go on here. Anyways, this is Breckenridge Street. No, go on here. Oh, come on. Well, anyways, the line ends right here somewhere. Yeah, it ends right here. It used to cross River Null Drive. And then it used to head its way up to Fond du Lac, which is somewhere. I don't know where it is. Alright, it used to lead up to Fond du Lac right here. And this might have been the spur where it headed off on. Anyways, Railroll, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and comment down below. Yes, so see you later. I'll make another video. Okay, why is